here. Today we're going to try to help you help yourself when you run into a situation where somebody has a hesitation or a stall that they throw at you during a presentation or anything else that you're working on. Maybe it's an offer, maybe it's a listing presentation or a buyer's presentation, and they throw something at you that you just don't know what to say. At the end of the day, you have an option. When they throw something at you, you go, can I phone a friend? No, of course, that doesn't work. So we need to have a step-by-step dialogue that we're going to go through to make you feel more comfortable and confident when that situation arises. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to always remember that when they throw a hesitation to you, you have two words that you're going to deliver. First one is no problem. Why? Because there's two things that gets for us. Number one is when we say no problem, it gives us a split second to think about what that hesitation, what that challenge was that they just threw at you. Also then, it brings down the guard that was thrown to you from that customer as far as that hesitation or that stall. So next after that, we're going to go through the step-by-step process of what you're going to actually deliver and say to the customer from there to be able to get them to hopefully move on from where they're at. So, start at the top. No problem. So the customer says hypothetically that they have a friend in the business. You would say, no problem. Step number one. You probably have a good reason for feeling that way. Do you mind if I ask what it is? Well, I need to use my friend because I don't want to, and blah, da, 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 okay? Next thing you're going to go on to is, what do you think the drawbacks to you would be if you did not use your friend? In other words, what do you think the negative to them would be if they didn't use their friend? Well, they might say at the end of the day that, I might lose my friend. I might not stay friends, or so on. Now, the next thing that you're going to go to is called isolation. Now, isolation means that you isolate that situation. There's only one challenge, and that one challenge only that you're dealing with now to make sure that there's nothing else in the background that's holding them from moving forward with you today. So, the line or the dialogue is that the only thing that's holding you back from moving forward today with me to list your home? Leave it at that. Next, if I could, would you? Now, this is the close. This is the wrap-up of this particular hesitation. So, if I could, would you? So, if I could, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, show you that by using your friend, it could cost you a small fortune, or it could cost you the sale of your home, or it could cost you your friendship. Anything along that line. Would you consider to go ahead and work with me today? That's the hesitation handler as a whole, and I promise you, beyond a shadow of a doubt, when you get used to using those step-by-step processes and deliver it that way, you'll have better chances and better success in handling any of those problems that are out there today. And it's important to me and it's important to you that you know how to handle those hesitations. So, that's the hesitation handler and a wrap-up. Thank you very much.